Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Cafe. Today we're going to test this beautiful Saeco espresso machine. After it come back to us, this machine was in the shop before. We did many repairs on it, and then after like 6 weeks, I think, it back to us with leaking. So after I test the machine, I found this part broken and was leaks in many spots. So I just replaced it. Didn't charge the customer for the labor, only for the part. So let's go ahead and test it and put the espresso shot on it. I tested for the whole day and there was no any leak. After replaced that, so that was the only part leaking. This is really nice shot with thick cream on it. So thank you for watching.